checking in your symbols, your passes. The exit is upright, traceable, stowed in your window shades after the open. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to Singapore 15 minutes ahead of schedule. For Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a very warm welcome home. Well, the local time is 5 minutes to 6 in the evening. We are pleased to announce that you may now use your mobile phones and tablets. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the parking bay. Please take care when emptying the back compartment. Before you leave, please check that you have all your belongings with you. As your travel partner of choice, we are constantly looking for new destinations to take you to. Direct flights to Kuala and Nanning at affordable prices are now available on Tigerair. We also offer thousands of hotels, rental car locations and tour options via our website at www.tigerair.com. Thank you for flying with us today. We wish you a great stay here in Singapore and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.